Hello my dear students, welcome back to my YouTube channel and I am Smriti Bhatia, and in today's video we are going to study about the neuron and the structures of a neuron, and as well as we are going to learn about the diagram of the neuron. Okay, so to make the learning easy and rememberful, I am using this diagram so that you all can remember it and visualize it for a longer period of time. Okay, so let us begin with the term neuron. Okay, sorry. So, what does the term neuron means? What is a neuron? Neuron is a specialized structure of a nerve cell that helps in transmission of signals within the human body, right? So, neuron is a specialized structure of nerve cell that helps in transmission of signals within the human body. Which type of signals? So here we are talking about the electrical signals. Electrical signals or the electrical impulses that carry the messages within the body. That is known as neuron. Okay, so talking about the structure of the neuron, first of all, let us understand this diagram. So over here we have this single neuron. Okay, this is a neuron. Over here we have these are the dendrites. Okay, these are the dendrites. This is the cell body, and within the cell body we have this portion, and it is the nucleus. Along with that we have the axon. This is the axon. Okay, over the axon we have this covering, that is the myelin sheath. Okay, and okay, let us zoom this in, and we can see small areas where the myelin sheath is not present. So this is known as node of Ranvier. Okay, so each and every part of the neuron have its specific function, and that's why it is present in the neuron. Okay, so let us go part wise. I will name the part and then I will tell you its function. Okay, so first of all, this is the starting portion. This is the starting portion of a neuron, and this is the ending or the terminal part of the neuron. We have this thin layer, that is the axon. So starting with the dendrites. Dendrites are this extending portion of the neurons, hair-like projections. It is not hair-like projections, like it is like the branches of the tree. Okay, so dendrites are like branches, and what are their functions? It helps in taking up the signal from the above neuron. Okay, so over here, suppose this neuron is ending over here. Okay, these are the terminal axons of the neuron just above this neuron. Okay, so the dendrites, these are also dendrites. So the role of these dendrites are that it will receive the signals from this axon terminals and will transmit it through the axons. Okay, and will help in the transmission of the signals. So dendrites helps to receive the signals. Okay, this is the nucleus. We all know the function of the nucleus. So coming to the neuron cell body. Okay, neuron cell body or the nerve cell body. Cell body is also known as soma. It helps in transmitting of the signals from the dendrites all the way to the axon. Okay, so it comes from here, goes to here. Okay, axon. Okay, what is axon? Axon is a very important thing over here. It is a thin band that helps in the transmission of signals from the one point to the other point. It helps in transmission of the signal throughout the neuron. Okay, it is a thin thin elongated band that helps in transmission of signals from within the axon, within the nerve or the neuron. Okay, over the axon we have myelin sheath. It is an insulating sheath that helps in increasing the speed of the transmission. Okay, so suppose signal are coming from here, okay, within this. So now what will the myelin sheath do? It is an insulating layer. Okay, so this is insulating layer, this is insulating layer. So signal will come like this. It will jump over the myelin sheath. Okay, and when the signal jumps, it increases their speed. Okay, so myelin sheath help in increasing the speed of the nerve or signal transmission or the impulse transmission. Next up we have is this portion, that is the node of Ranvier. Okay, this is the portion of the axon that is present without the myelin sheath. That is known as the node of Ranvier. Okay, next up we have is the axon terminal. So this is the axon terminal, right? And one more important thing that we should know is the synapse. What is the synapse? Do you know that? So suppose now this is the ending of the neuron number 1. From here there will be the dendrites of the neuron number 2. Suppose these are the dendrites of the neuron number 2. Okay, so this gap that we can see in between the neurons is known as the synapse. Okay, and in between the synapse we have neurotransmitters that helps in transmission of signals from the axon terminal to the dendrites of the next neuron. Okay, so in this video we have studied about the definition of the neuron, then we have studied about the structures of the neuron, we have studied the diagram of the neuron, and then we have discussed about the synapse and the neurotransmitter in brief. If you want more such kind of videos or any specific point or structure that you want me to cover in detail, then please do comment in the comment section below. If you are new to my channel, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button and share this video with all your friends. Till then, keep learning, keep studying.